you're experiencing lag spikes on your Xbox Series X, follow these steps to troubleshoot and improve your gaming experience. This guide will help you identify and resolve potential issues. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for gaming. You can run a speed test on another device to check your download and upload speeds. Ideally, you should have a minimum of 3 Mbps download speed for gaming. Step 2. Restart your Xbox Series X. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary issues. Press and hold the Xbox button on your console for about 10 seconds until it turns off. Wait a few moments, then turn it back on and check if the lag persists. Step 3. Optimize network settings. Go to the Settings menu on your Xbox Series X, navigate to General, then Network Settings. Select Test Network Speed and Statistics to check for any issues. If necessary, consider switching from a wireless connection to a wired Ethernet connection for more stability. Step 4. Close background applications. Ensure that no other applications or games are running in the background that could be using bandwidth. Press the Xbox button, scroll to Home, and close any open applications to free up resources. Step 5. Update your console. Make sure your Xbox Series X is running the latest software. Go to Settings, then System, and select Updates. If an update is available, download and install it. This can fix bugs and improve performance. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate lag spikes on your Xbox Series X. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance. Happy gaming!